I would like to say thanks to Gates Pharma, Mainframe Gallery Karachi. They all are our big sponsors. International Watercolor Museum, Daniel Smith, Khana-e-Farang, Jamhuri Islami Iran, Pakistan, University of St. Jamshoro, Hyderabad Awan-e-Tijarat, Ocean Art Galleries, Hyderabad Darbar, The Palm Village, Higher Education Commission of Pakistan, Art Lane, White Knight, Canson, Art City Gallery Karachi, Fabriano and Aquarello, Escoda, Vincent and Newton, Archie's, Liaquat University of Medical and Health Sciences Jamshoro, DMS, Pepsi, Silco, Sketches, Royal Taj Restaurant, Artist Association of Sale, Century Packages Private Limited, Matiari Sugar Rice. Thank you, thanks to all.
A silent person, a person behind every success, an architect, art promoter, writer, educationist, very energetic and dynamic personality, Mr. Bhai Khan Shar. I would like to call you on the stage and say a few words to the audience, please. Thank you.
Thank you very much for calling. I think this is my second time. I hope